quick update on the mods that you're going to see in this video. My brother and I decided to install a front splitter for the Charger Scatpack, and it was a pretty easy, pretty nice modification, which I'll show you some pictures along with a little B-roll video. So what we did was we installed it using some 3M tape before we drilled it in. We used some self-tapping screws, stainless steel, and it has I think it's 3/4 inch self-tapping screws that we used underneath. So it turned out pretty good. It's a carbon fiber style diffuser. It's plastic, but it's just gonna get damaged when you scrape and do all the low stuff in and around town. So I figured if it's not gonna look too bad and looks decent, I'll install it. Easy install, but you'll see in this video what it looks like underneath, and it's pretty sturdy. I haven't scraped anywhere yet, but future modifications will gonna lower this car, maybe half an inch or something like that to get a better stance. So that's going to be in the next video, so stay tuned. We're going to install some IBAC Pro Kit lowering springs, and we'll see how this front splitter holds up. I'm probably going to scrape a lot more, or I don't know. We'll have to find out. So stay tuned. So if you have any questions about this front splitter, I'll link the site I bought it from. I bought it from Walmart. It's not a fancy one or anything, because I figured I'll try it out first. If it holds up, and then maybe upgrade to a nicer one. But so far, I mean, it looks pretty good. I like it a lot, actually. It looks nice. It doesn't look cheap, and easy installation. And there's not much to it. Basically, just line it up, make sure it's centered, put some 3M tapes for additional support before you drill it in. And that's about it. So anyone can do it as long as you have the right tools. Jack up the car a little bit, and yeah, that's all you need to do. So if you have any questions, comment below, and if you like what I do, then subscribe and click the like button, what have you. But I'll link the description, or in the description below, where I bought it and how much it is. Pretty cheap, less than $100. Easy install, maybe 20 minutes with the right tools and the right hardware to put it on. So I'll keep you guys posted on new mods, because it's spring's coming up. Time for some modifications. As you know, in the previous video, I reinstalled the summer tires, so that is also kind of fun. So enjoy, and stay safe and stay healthy, everybody. Take care.